Hi everyone, this video is where me and Beth, my student, are doing a parallel park. And it's really important to point out that if a vehicle comes from behind, you've actually got to look to see what they're doing rather than just be scared of the fact that they're there. This was some nice driving by the tractor driver.
Do you fancy having a go yourself, or do you want any help with it? Where are you at with it?
I'll try it first, go by myself, and then they'll just see how terrible that is.
But even if it is, it doesn't matter.
That's what the L plates are for, is it not?
Oh. Cool. How far away from this car? Hit the clutch a bit. Steer back left more. Steer back left more. Steer left more. Left more. Left more. Good. You just went a little bit one-paced. You needed to slow. Steer a bit quicker.
Okay.
You are okay here, but notice had to twist your arm so you weren't so wide.
Yeah.
Where are we in relation to the central line? We're to the left of the central line, so there should be enough space for people to come past, and that's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
Alright?
Okay. Okie dokie.
When you hear reverse gear a little bit earlier than that as well, put in reverse gear now, as soon as you can. What does that then show people?
Shows people that putting me lights and everything I am going.
If the tractor's not got enough room to come past, we may have to continue.
Okay.
Alright? Just put a left signal on now. Because then that will encourage him to come past. But look at his position. What's he doing?
He's not going to
Therefore, cancel the signal. Check around everywhere. Off we go. No, you shouldn't have taken it out of gear.
Sorry, what? Oh.
Reverse. Good. Check around everywhere, and then off we go. Good. Now what's he doing?
No, he is.
Now stop then. Now what's he doing? Is he coming past or waiting?
He's waiting.
Carry on then.
Okay.
Good. Don't turn yet. No. Look where we've got to go. Good. Into back seats fast. Good. Well done. Perfect. Keep moving. Keep watching. Keep on trucking. Tractor's protecting you. He's done a lovely job. Now take your time and get this correct. Sit normally, relax. Relax. Road surface. When it disappears to right, quickly. Go slow with your car. Slow. Slow car. Steer quickly. One. And the other one. We're done. Take your time. Well done. Slow. Rear door handle. Relax. When does it fall off that curve? Keep moving and steering. Try not to look forward. Manage the gap. Is the gap staying? Or is it getting bigger, smaller, or staying? We're straight. Stop. Good. Well done. Alright. I know you said you were going to do it on your own.
Yeah.
But why do you think I helped a little?
Because everything just made me nervous as soon as someone else came along.
Yeah. Do you understand what I was getting at with the tractor as well?
Yeah. It's not,
it wasn't.
Don't just stare out there.
Good.
Look at what it's doing.
Look at what it's doing. Yeah. So why do you think initially his position, he stayed sort of like straddling?
Yeah.
And then just held back. What was he sort of saying to you at the start?
Come on. It's okay.
Good.
Wait.
Good. But notice it took a little bit of encouragement for me to get you going.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can work off his position. If he was going to come round you, what would his position have been doing?
Moving to the right.
Moving to the right. And because he wasn't, that was enough of a clue that you could maybe do your checks and start moving, but then keep watching. What actually happened is when he took up that position as well, did you see the black car? What the black car did?
It stopped behind him. No, it overtook him.
It overtook him.
Yeah.
It went on the verge to the right hand side and overtook him.
Yeah.
Okay. So we were correct to wait for that. Then what did the tractor driver do?
Then he moved over to the right and stopped anyone else from.
Brilliant. So he helped you out.
Yeah.
Okay. It was a nice bit of driving on his part.
It was.
It was a lovely piece of driving. But the reason why I took over was because I know that people see something big like that and they freeze.
Yeah.
But what did you learn from that scenario, do you think?
Not every big thing is going to try and get you.
No, he was lovely.
Yeah.
He was good as gold.
Yeah.
Really patient. He tried to help as much as he could as well.
Yeah, it was really nice.
Which was really good.
Yeah.
But try not to just lock onto the particular hazard that's there. Try actually, like you said, see what they're doing. when you came to your second turning point, you knew what you were looking for.
Yeah.
What did I have to remind you of
Sit
though?
properly.
Relax.
Yeah.
Good, well done. Okay, that worked out well. I thought originally as well, you flapped a little bit with your first turning point. You were going to turn straight away.
Yeah.
When we hadn't got back to the first turning point where our seats were past that vehicle.
Yeah.
I think that was just because you were rushing to get out of the way.
Yeah.
But think about, I think I did mention it mid-manoeuvre as well. I said, if you do this correctly, or try and do this correctly, if you do it correctly, you're done.
Yeah.
But if you rush and you panic and you get it wrong, you might then have to move back out and reposition, which then holds people up even more. So you're better off giving yourself some time, being accurate with it, and then doing it as well as you've just done it.
Yeah. Okay.
That was a good job.
Don't worry. I just think that like people always. The tractor driver was like 1 in a million for me, kind of.
You know what? He's not. He
not?
was particularly nice and trying to be particularly helpful. So full credit to him. That's fabulous. But honestly, very few people are horrible.
Really?
Most people will either wait for you or come past. Does it even matter if you come past?
No.
Think about what we talked about at the start, at the beginning. Our positioning to then enable people to get past.
Yeah.
So we're trying to help flow.
Yeah.
If they want to come past, fine. If you can't get past, no worries.
Okay.
All right with that?
Yeah.
Well,
Okay.
my car's just popped into life again. I think it's telling us, let's have another go.
Okay.
So let's have another go.